Hey Beans, in today's video I wanted to do something a little bit different because I personally am obsessed with this toy brand because ever since they came out with their little Make It mini kits, it's been so much fun. So for those of you who don't know, this is MiniVerse. MiniVerse is a toy brand. I believe they're the same people that made mini brands, but the Make It MiniVerse is pretty much a mystery ball that comes with a cute ton of stuff for like crafting and DIY. And this one is actually Harry Potter theme and it's new. And I'm thinking because it's Halloween season, this is probably the reason why they're putting it out there. But this is the Harry Potter Make It potions. And I'm curious and excited to see this because I want to know, is it going to be the same potions from the actual movie / series, or is it going to be something completely different? So I actually bought 3 of these. They were $9.99 each, and I got them from my local pharmacy. Surprisingly, the pharmacy had these, but yet Walmart doesn't. Anyways, so I found these at my pharmacy, and you can also find these at Family Dollar if anybody would want to see more of like their Make It mini brands. I highly recommend, especially if you yourself are a crafty person and like to just do some projects for fun. I would recommend trying these because I love them personally, and you also get a cute little figure or like this cute little item. I feel like it's worth it, honestly. Or if you just have kids and they're very artistic, I definitely recommend buying these for them because they will be on this for hours just trying to put it all together. So I was able to get 3 of them, and I'm just going to randomly pick one specifically for you and then probably save the other 2 just to save them in case. Let's do it. Making this was super cute and super easy, so let me show you guys a little bit of how they set everything up. Everything comes in these cute little bags that are themed off of the movie, and it also comes with a mini guidebook, not only to show you what potions you could get and as well as rare items, but it also shows how to make the potion itself. We got the polyjuice one, so we're going to be focusing on that one today. Start off with, I take the resin that's in the cauldron and I open it, and I'm going to add what I assume is lace wing flies into the potion. After that, we're just going to mix it up really well until we feel comfortable with where it is and it's ready. I'm going to take our glass flask and we're going to add what I believe is knot grass. Correct me if I'm wrong, but we're going to add a little bit of this into our little flask. Just enough, not too much. After that, we're going to add the resin into the flask glass and make sure it goes up to almost the top. And that's it. This was so cute and so much fun to make. Honestly, I'm excited to see what else I get because I haven't opened the other 2 yet. But we'll see. I'll definitely record more in the future. But if you guys like this video, please like, comment, and subscribe. And if you do end up getting any of these, tell me which one you got in the comments. I'd love to know. See you in my next video, Beans.